In this video, I will show you how to fix the "this page isn't available right now" error on Facebook. First, you want to close the Facebook application completely. After that, open your phone settings. Now scroll down and find the option of apps, select that. From here, a list of all the applications will be shown. Now scroll down and find Facebook, then select that. Now find the option of storage, tap on it, then tap on clear cache. After that is done, open Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar, and here you want to search Facebook. Here, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. If the issue still isn't fixed, check whether Facebook is experiencing a server outage. For that, open up any web browser. Here, you want to search for Facebook server, then select the first website. Here, check if there is a Facebook server outage. If there is, you simply want to wait until the issue is resolved. Now check if only one specific page is unavailable. If that is the case, the page may have been deleted, unpublished, restricted, or you may no longer have permission to view it. Try opening the page from another account or asking someone else if they can access it. If none of these methods work, you can simply log out of your Facebook account, then log back in. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.